Create the ultimate entertainment room for golf, movies, and more. InHome Golf. Make the fairway your way. Hey everybody, it's James here at InHome Golf. I'm here with Mike in Buffalo, New York, and we are going to build a simulator today in that garage right there. Custom built for the simulator. Can't wait to do this. This is a great property. Look at the privacy out here. And a little sitting area back there with the bonfire looking down onto the valley. It's really nice. So let's go take a look at the man cave here. This is the original design that we whipped up with the customer before we started building the simulator. This room is so great, lots of room, lots of length, lots of width, lots of height. Now, one of the things we talk a lot to people about is obviously dimensions for your simulator. And sometimes we hear people say things like, oh, I thought you needed 12 feet in height. And of course, this room has 12 feet in height. So it begs the question, why did we bring the ceiling down in the simulator area as low as we did? Why wouldn't we just build the screen up to the top? And the answer is you want to have a finished produced screen in the 16:10 aspect ratio range. 16:10 is the same aspect ratio of your touchscreens and your computer monitors, and it's the same aspect ratio that all of the software is designed to produce at. Now, can you go to 4:3? Yes. Can you go to 16:9? Yes. You can push and pull and stretch the screen as much as you want. The software is produced generally to 16:10 aspect ratio. So in my opinion, this is the best way to lay out the screen is at 16:10. Now, we took a width of 16 feet. We built a simulator frame at 16 feet. And then you're always going to lose something around the perimeter. These screens are bungeed so that they stretch and flex. And that bungee rigging system needs to be padded and covered. So you wind up with a width of 14.4, and at 16:10 aspect ratio, that translates to a height of 9 feet. So we built the frame to match this aspect ratio, which is, as I said, ideal. Now, could you go wider if you had more space? Yes, you can. Can you make it 4.3 and push the ceiling up? You absolutely can. Now, in this model, this gentleman here is a 6 foot tall guy. So do you need to go higher? The answer is no. 10 feet on the inside of this frame is more than sufficient and ample for just about everybody. So this is the layout we chose. Went through all of this with the customer as we do with all of our customers, and we designed the space to everybody's acceptance, and we go from there. So let's take a look at the build itself. So here we go into the garage. You can see that it's a great space, and we've got a subfloor already laid for us, and with the turf is already there and laid out. Now here you can see we're building the frame in the ceiling, and on the left you can see where the door is. So referring back to our original conversation, we took as much space as we could from the right wall to the left to build our post. So 16 feet was our available space. The inside of this garage has aluminum siding everywhere, which is excellent. It's really durable, obviously, and looks great. Here we've got the turf in, and you can see the contoured rough along the sides, and then the black rubber transition strip, which we place all the way around the subfloor. Here you can see how we're framing the drop from the tall ceiling down to the 10-foot mark. And in the finished result, we've got padding around the top to add a nice, clean, finished look. The left side of the simulator doesn't have a wall, so there we have a curtain. We've got wall panels on the right-hand side. In the ceiling, you can see the Uneekor EyeXO mounted to 10 feet off of the floor. And finally here, we've got a very happy client who wrote us a very nice email saying, my entire experience with InHome Golf was top-notch, from opening sales conversations with Will Matthews that were very educational and never salesy, to the patience your team had while my barn was being built and prepped. And finally, to the install with Mike and James that was quick and professional. Thanks, guys. I absolutely love this setup. What a great thing to say. We're so happy to have done this for Bill, and look forward to helping you too when you're ready for your in-home golf simulator experience. Click here to see some of our other videos. Thank you.